The overall goal of this procedure is to train a rat to perform a sequence of tasks by which multiple brain functions can be investigated. This is accomplished by first acclimating the rats to the behavioral chamber. The second step is to train the rat to push a lever to obtain food pellets as rewards. Next, the rats are trained to reveal a hidden lever by poking their head into the nose poke hole. The final step is to train the rats to recognize a sensory cue and then to push the correct lever indicated by the cue. Ultimately, the rats learn the entire sequence of the tasks aimed at obtaining the rewards.
We have developed a fully automated system for rat behavior testing and neuronal activity recording. Using this system, multiple brain functions can be investigated. The unique feature of this system is a custom-made acoustically transparent chamber, which is ideal for auditory task training.
Another feature of this system is that different operant devices can be added easily, which makes the system quite versatile, allowing the implementation of a variety of auditory, visual, and audiovisual behavioral tasks.
The system is composed of three major components: a double-walled soundproof room, a multiple-channel electrophysiological recording system, and a fully automated behavioral testing system. A custom-designed operant chamber sits inside the soundproof room. The chamber consists of three acoustically transparent walls and one modular operation panel. To monitor and record behavior, a video camera is mounted above the operant chamber.